All right, here we're going to talk about the properties of parallelograms and then solve the example on the right. So with parallelograms, the opposite sides are parallel and the opposite sides are also congruent. But this example is dealing with the angles. So let's focus in on the third and fourth bullet. So the first thing it says is that the opposite angles are equal to each other. They're congruent. So that means that angle Y and W are congruent, and angle Z and X are congruent. The next bullet says that two adjacent angles, so the angles next to each other, add up to 180. So for example, angle Z and angle W, they're next to each other, so they add up to 180. They're what's called supplementary angles. Or angle Z and Y. Those are adjacent angles. So those two angles add up to 180. They're supplementary. So now let's take a look at the example. So in this example, they're telling us that angle Y is 85 degrees. And they want to know what angle W plus angle Z equals. So angle W plus angle Z. So if Y is 85 degrees and opposite angles are congruent, that means angle W is 85 degrees. So angle W is 85 degrees. And then angle Z is adjacent to angle W. So that means that they add up to 180. So angle, that's written right here, angle Z plus angle W adds up to 180. So if angle W is 85 and we don't know what Z is, we can solve this equation and see that Z is 95 degrees. So now that we know Z, we just put that in to our space here. And then all we have to do is add these two together. And 85 plus 95 is 180.